Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a party master manually or import the details from Excel in Saral Pro. Party master details are the information of the vendor or customer with whom you have made sales or purchase transactions. First, we will see how to enter the party master details manually. In the GST module, go to GST and click on Party Master. In order to enter new party details, click on plus button and enter all the related details. If you want the details to be updated as available in GSTIN, click on the download next to GSTIN. This will fetch the details from the GST portal and update in the application. Now save the details and the party information is ready for transaction entry. After entering all the party details, click on Verify against each record to individually verify the GSTIN, or click on Verify Bulk GSTIN to verify all the records in one click. The party's GSTIN will be verified from the GST portal and the message verified is displayed in green color. In both modes of verification, you are required to authenticate your GST portal login credentials, after which the GSTIN will be verified and the details will be updated in the application. Other than a detailed entry, other options made available to ease the work process are: download party details to an MS Excel sheet by clicking on the download option. Get a party's return history from here. Click Get and enter the GST portal credentials with CAPTCHA. The return history status of the party will be downloaded from the GSTN portal. If you want to edit the existing party details, click on the Party Details row. Edit the party details as per your requirements and click on Update. If you want to delete the existing party details, click on the Delete option in the Party Details row. If you want to search the required party details on the Party Master window, use the search button in Name, GSTIN, or Party Type or Email. Next, let us see how to import Party Master from Excel. First, download the Excel template and add the required details in the Excel file. The template is designed with default columns as per the requirement in party details. Save the template in the record system from where the details will be imported. Now go to Import, click on Import against the Party Master Excel. You can click on Browse or drag or drop the file here. Select the template which has to be imported. If any details are not according to the import requirement, then the requirement will be listed on the right side of the window. If none, continue to import by clicking on Upload. The progress bar will display the progress of the import. Note that the window should not be closed until the import is completed, else the import will be discarded. Wait till the import process is complete, that is 100% done. Next, click on View Data to view the imported party list. In the successfully imported column, the number of records that are imported is displayed. In the errors round column, the number of errors that are found during the import process is displayed. In case of an error, rectify the error and re-upload the file by clicking on Re-upload to import. To refresh the import status, click on Check Status. This completes the process of Party Master manual entry as well as import from Excel.
Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.